Hi parents, today we are recommending 5 books for toddlers above 2 years. Now, we start with the One Day at Police Station book. Now they understand what a police is. So, this book is very good in illustrating what a police does, what is a jail. So, they will, and the illustrations are so nice that, the child will try to understand and try to be with you while you are reading this book. So one of my child's favorite book, and he thoroughly loved it. Second would be, now is the time to introduce the very famous stories like Cinderella, the Snow White, Rapunzel. So these kind of books are handy because now they understand some words more than what they used to understand before they turned two. So they will take interest in understanding stories as well. So this is a very good time to introduce the fairy tales and very famous stories to them. Third, my recommendation would be to introduce space to them. Their knowledge that we live in planet Earth, there is a sun, there is a moon. So, because they know, they see it, they have rhymes with it, like Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, Chanda Mama. So, they know, like, they can see, and what they can see, they can read in the book, they will really like it because they see the sun daily, they see the moon daily. So, they'll try to engage more because they are feeling that they are connected with these kind of things. Now fourth recommendation would be divine books. You should introduce books which are mythologically connected, which are very very fourth recommendation will be books which are very, very divine in nature, so that you introduce the gods and the goddesses to them at an early age. They feel connected because we have pujas, we have our traditions, we have our festivals. They should be understanding that why we are celebrating Durga Puja, why we are celebrating Saraswati Puja, what is the Shivratri, why is Shivratri celebrated. So these kind of questions they will have. Before that, we should introduce books about gods and goddesses so they are connected to us, they are connected to the roots of Indian traditions. Last but again one of my favorite, because even I loved narrating this story to Pranit, and it was like till today if he sees this book he will be a fan again and he would want to read the same book. So this book is very very illustrative. It has a lot of robots pictures. I'll just show you. See, this is how the children gets hooked, and the story itself is very nice. It's about the caring nature a very small boy Harry has towards his grandmother, and how he uses robots to help his nan recover. So this is one of the recommended books, and by this book I mean any book which now is not a full hard cardboard book. It's actually a paper book, and now they should understand that they don't have to tear the pages. So one or two books which are paperbacks we have to introduce so that they understand. Otherwise they will never understand that books are for reading and we have to preserve it, we cannot tear the pages and all. So thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe, and please comment below so that I will share all the links to you. Thank you. Bye bye.